Hey everybody, today we're gonna make this lentil soup. It is inspired by the Middle Eastern lentil soup, but it's our own version of it. So I really hope you like this one. Alright, we'll start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1 cup of onions that are chopped into cubes like this. Then saute them just for a little bit until they go kind of translucent like this. Then add 1 cup of chopped carrots and a cup of chopped tomatoes. Saute it all again for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then add our main ingredient, the red lentils. Add about 1 cup of it and make sure that it's washed and soaked for about an hour beforehand. Then add 5 cloves of garlic, a singular bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, paprika, and salt. Cook for about 2 minutes and then add 2 cups of either chicken or vegetable stock. Then pour in about 4 to 5 cups of water in the mix and wait for it to boil. And while that's happening, go under this video and press the like button. Come on. Then when it comes to boil, cover it and cook it for another 30 minutes. And while that is going on, go and subscribe to the channel. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing it. After the 30 minutes, turn the heat off and wait for it to cool down just a little bit. Then blend it until it's smooth. Then turn the heat on pretty high until you get your desired consistency. And yeah, that's it, that's all. It's ready, looking all pretty. You can garnish it with some pepper and a little bit of coriander if you like coriander, and that would be it. It tastes amazing, by the way. If this was interesting to you, here's another really interesting soup recipe for you to check out. Thank you for watching, keep cooking, keep smiling.